This is Module 4, Lesson 13 homework, and we're going to go to problem number 3. Number 3 says, Fawn plants 2/3 of the garden with vegetables. Her son plants the remainder of the garden. He decides to use half of the space to plant flowers, and the rest he plants herbs. What fraction of the entire garden is planted in flowers? Draw a picture to support your answer. So we're going to go ahead and draw a picture. And I'm going to go ahead and use an area model. And if we read the question, it says the fawn plants 2/3 of her garden. So fawn is using 2/3 of her garden, and she's using them for vegetables. So I'm just going to show you there's one part, 2 parts. That's fawn doing vegetables. But we're not worried about her. We're worried about her son, and he's using the remainder of the garden. So he's using only one section of the 3. So this 2/3 might confuse you, but we're not looking at her. We're looking at the son who's using 1/3 of the garden. And then of that 1/3 that he's using right now, so I'm going to go ahead and shade in the sun. This is what he's using. He's going to use half of that, so I'm going to cut this in half. And he's using half of this. It's one little space he has. And he's using that to plant flowers. So he's taking 1/3 and he's only using half of the space. So if we just look at it straight across, we have 1 times 1 is 1 and 3 times 2 is 6. So he should be using 1/6 of the garden. If we go ahead and look at the picture to see how much he used for flowers, we now know he's using one section out of 6 to do flowers, so our picture justifies our answer.